Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones. I'm back with another job lead, guys. American Airlines is currently hiring. We are excited you're interested in beginning your career journey with us. All applications will only be submitted through this site, and we will never require payment at any time during your application process. Land your career that you love, guys. Choose a career that can take you places. Find your job. We're on a journey. Won't you join us? So you can search for open jobs that are available here, a day in the life. We are connected across the globe. You can explore life at American Airlines, perks and benefits with health and well-being benefits, travel perks, and more. We've got you covered. Check out our total rewards package offered to team members, awards and recognitions, DEI Best Place to Work with disability inclusions in 2022, 100% disability equality index, fair pay workplace certified, discover a world of unlimited opportunity here at American Airlines. And they're all over the world from what it looks like, guys. Based on what the job search here, they have 9 open on the East Coast, 9 open in Midwest, 31 in the South, 11 open towards California, Nevada. As you can see, I'm just looking at the map, and 4 in the United Kingdom. So American Airlines is currently hiring worldwide. All you would have to do is, if you want to work on the plane, there's at the airport. If you want to work at the airport, if you want to work in the corporate office, they have corporate office jobs. Flight attendants, if you want to become a flight attendant, you click on that link. If you want to become a pilot, you click on that link. And if you're looking for reservations and you want to travel, they still have that too. But you can also apply for jobs in reservations if you're looking for jobs in reservations. They have tech ops and maintenance. If you just want to click view all jobs, you just click view all jobs. If you're a student graduate like intern and grads, MBA leadership, IT adept, co-op, and life at American, you got your perks and benefits, your locations, they're giving back through the years, our culture. And I don't know if you guys remember, back in the day, they had a song, commercial. We're American Airlines, something special in the air. Yes, I remember that commercial. I don't know if you guys remember that. Diversity, equity, and inclusion, employee business resource groups, military, hear from our team members. So, guys, if you are interested in one of these roles, guys, all you would do is just come to www.jobs at I'm gonna say it again, www.jobs.aa.com. I'll put the link in this description of this video so you'll be able to click to go directly to this website. So, guys, sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Super congrats to anyone who gets one of these roles. You are amazing. Hope you make it an amazing day for someone else, guys. I appreciate you lots. Love you lots. Thank you so much for always liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, friends.